What's up guys, I'm J Marie and welcome to my channel.
I pay full price when them just in your crib. I know this ain't got from the way that it smell. I'm a big stepper, babe, I need a size 12. Why you tryna shit on me if you did it out of love? I'm a little numb in this Greek ass up. Man, the stick got kicked, let me grip tight up. Little bit throw deep, let me grip tight up. We ain't buying new stick, we gon' dig a few up. They say grow up, so I all grew up. And the streets don't love nobody, but the streets get hella love.
Video all about these gorgeous locks that I'm rocking today. These locks are so pretty and I am I'm loving it. I did try out a new technique that I've been seeing trending right now on YouTube. It is the individual illusion braid pattern that I tried out. I am loving my results that I got. This technique is truly a game changer. I am loving it. I love the fact that I did not have to do much. It didn't take long at all. And I still got that natural look. Look at that. That looks like individuals, right? I am loving how it turned out. Shout out to all the ladies' videos that I did watch. I'll make sure I link them down below. And I am loving them with these locks that I'm wearing. These are the Freetress Boho Hippie Locs. I thought I picked up 4 of these, but in actuality, I picked up 2 of the Boho Hippie Locs, and I picked up 2 of just the normal Hippie Locs. And I am actually happy that I did that mistake because I love how it turned out with them mixed together. It gives that nice illusion like I have individual crochet braids, but I have no cornrows, but in the back. But her illusion braid pattern was really the bomb, and I wanted to try it out as well. I end up just parting my hair off from ear to ear, and I pretty much went in like I was going to do my normal crochet braid pattern, but instead of just braiding the hair straight to the back, I went in and sectioned off little blocks and I plaited the hair down, and then I went in, connected those plaits to another little individual box like I was doing individuals, but I'm actually connecting the hair into like a cornrow. And then once I have those all placed in, then I'm just going to section off the hair in the back, and then I created my cornrows. And as I was braiding back, I did add each braid to the next braid. That way I'm ended up with this one last little braid that I did sew down in the back. Then I added the crochets. I went in and just pretty much crochet my hair like I normally would. I finished up this style and I love how it turned out, guys. I like this style because it's pretty versatile and you can pretty much wear your hair up as well, but I did not decide to do the individuals in the back because I know I wasn't going to wear this style up or anything. To make this style a little bit more versatile, you'll just go in and do the same thing with creating those little boxes all around the perimeter, and braid your hair as normal for the crochets. I just wanted to have it nice and neat in the front. Just gives the illusion like the hair is individually locked. These crochet locks are so lightweight. I picked up 4 packs, but I had about 16 locks or so left over. I always get questions about how many packs of hair I get. I never buy more than 4 packs of hair. I never put more than 4 packs of hair in my head. It is gorgeous. I would never be doing any more cornrows ever again. This will be what I'll be doing from now on. No more trying to thread those, thread your hair through these little skinny things. That never been my goal. I was never in for that because I feel like crochet styles are made to be fast. It took me probably like 30 minutes to braid my hair down, and putting in the crochets only took about 20 minutes. Hey, baby, this hairstyle was super fast, super easy to do. And yeah, and today is my birthday. My birthday is March the 15th, baby. I am so excited, about to turn up, but ain't going no goddamn where right now. because of the coronavirus, all my plans have been canceled, so I'll be in the house. But make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram at Live Laugh Love J Marie, and I will be posting pictures there. Make sure you go check me out, like my pictures, maybe follow me as well there. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on this hairstyle. I am loving how it turned out. These locks are so gorgeous, so beautiful, and I'm loving this new braid pattern that I did. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Why aren't you subscribed to me? If you are coming back to my channel to see my videos but you are not subscribed, what are you doing? It's free. What are you going to lose out on? Just go ahead, click the subscribe button right now, and also click the bell to be notified whenever I do upload a new video. I hope you guys stick around to see more of my videos, and welcome to the fam. For the ones who are subscribed, all my new subscribers, welcome. And make sure you comment and let me know, how's your day going? How are you doing? I like to interact with you guys. I love when you guys reach out to me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.